The square root of 64 is pretty easy because if I remember that 2 squared equals 4, 3 squared equals 9, 4 squared equals 16, 5 squared equals 25, 6 squared equals 36, and 7 squared equals 49, 8 squared equals 64. So this one's actually a perfect square. So this just equals 8, right? Now if we wanted to get fancy, we could think of the square root as 64, or we could think of it as the square root of 8 times the square root of 8, which is really like the square root of 8 squared. And so when you take the square root of a square, these two kind of undo each other and you're just left with the base, which is 8. Okay?